बुधवारा FC गोवाची मॅच मुंबई FC आड जाली। दोन्ही पंगडांमदी बरोबरी जाली। FC गोवान पुराय यत्न केल्यात, मात गोल करपाच्यो खूबश्यो संधी चुकयल्यात। FC गोवा टीमीत आनी खूब सुधारणा करून बदल करपाची गरज आसा, अशें मत FC गोवा टीमीचे कोच झिको हांणी उक्तायला। RDX गोवा खातीर फातोडेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस।
Disappointed that after you threw in, you changed the formation into a more attacking formation, you didn't get the result that you actually looked for.
É nosso dever como treinador tentar mudar. Eu precisava ganhar o jogo. A gente tem alternativas, nós treinamos essa formação, a entrada do Joffre. O Joffre é um jogador que não tinha condições de jogar os 90 minutos, então eu procurei utilizar ele os últimos 30 minutos e a gente teve as oportunidades, né? Abrimos espaço, mas o gol não saiu, uma pena.
As a coach, I had to change my team, and we had a lot of other alternatives to do it. As you know, Joffre was not able to play 90 minutes, so I decided to put him to play the last 30 minutes. As you saw, we had many opportunities, but unfortunately the goal didn't come, and we had our chance to win.
Eu acho que o problema é que nós erramos passes simples, passes de 2 metros, 1 metro, na ânsia de querer resolver a situação, e oferecemos contra-ataques, boas jogadas claras para eles, que só perigaram quando a gente abriu o jogo.
Because of our mistakes, a lot of wrong passes. Sometimes we did wrong passes, 2 meters, 1 meters passes wrongly. So we gave opportunities for them to counter-attack us. So the opportunity, they had also clearly opportunities, but also that when we came to the game, we came to attack. These opportunities appeared for them.